Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to be taking you along with me today. The first thing I'm going to eat for lunch is this pizza that we make in the air fryer. So as you can see, it's only 7 net carbs. It's 9 carbs in total, and then 2 grams of fiber, which means it's only 7 net carbs. And I am going to be using, it's not sugar free, but it is low in carbs. This is 4 net carbs for 1/4 cup. I'm only going to be using like a tablespoon and a half, and then I'm just going to mix some of this ranch seasoning in it, which this is no carbs. This take your pizza to a different level. It tastes so good. And of course, you guys know I'm going to add garlic and Italian seasoning. Why wouldn't I? So I'm going to just add garlic powder, Italian seasoning. I'm going to stir it up, mix it up really well. I'm going to put the Italian seasoning on after I put the cheese on top. So mix it up well, spread this across the pita bread. But first I'm going to poke a couple little bit of holes in the pita bread, because I find when you warm this up, it tends to swell up if you don't put like a little bit of holes in it. So I'm going to put these holes in it, and then I am going to build my own pizza. So now that my pizza is all done, this is what it looks like. I end up taking those jalapenos off because they were too hot for me. So I took those things off, but this was really good. I almost didn't show you guys my Atkins snack. So you guys, this was my dinner. This was so good. I actually drank half of that Coke Zero, and I will show you how many carbs this was. This was a different tortilla wrap. This was only 3 net carb. It was so good. It was such a pretty day today. Like, it was so nice to go to the park and read and just hang out with the girls. We all just was like kind of relaxing. So let me not forget my snack. Now I am going to share with you, this is my first time making the chicken this way. I just put this ranch seasoning on it. I had a little bit of seasoning left, so I'm gonna put that on there, add a little bit of garlic salt, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning, and I am just gonna coat it with a little bit of avocado oil and pop it in the air fryer, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the air fryer. I just added on top some parsley flakes and some poppy seed because I wanted the look of it, and plus we're going to squeeze lemon on top of it. So poppy seed really goes good with lemon. I have no idea why, but I like it that way. So I'm going to just cut a couple slices of lemon and put them on the side of the chicken. That way whoever gets it can squeeze it on top of there, and that'll be it. All right, you guys, so this was a what I eat in a day video. Altogether, I think it was 18 net carbs altogether. I just wanted something to kind of nibble on, so I only ate 2 of these, and that was absolutely perfect. I ate 2 of these with my coffee, and it worked out perfectly. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me, and as always, I thank you for watching.